everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you my unboxing of what I bought from Shopee, which is the 3D Moonlight with stand oil. So it literally came overseas and it took like 2 weeks before it was delivered. So now I am unpacking the product itself. The Moonlight cost 410 pesos. This includes the shipping fee. So what I like about this product is that it's not just a lamp, but it serves a humidifier. So very appropriate for my room. So I bought an essential oil which I'll be showing to you later on. So you could change the color settings of the lamp. So it has 3. So the first one is like a white, a dark orange, and a light orange variety. So I'm very satisfied with the product. It's Francis approved. So now I'm filling the lamp with water. So I must make sure it's enough, and then I'm starting to apply the essential oil, and I think I've exceeded like 2 to 3 drops. So anyways, I like to like smell the oil itself, kaya siguro dinagdagan ko. So I'm enclosing the lid now. So testing if the humidifier is working. So at first I thought the humidifier wasn't working because I tried putting like half a liter of water. So here's the extra cotton connector. So I'm trying to plug it in, and then okay, I thought it wasn't functioning at first, so I was worried. So we tried to like add more water. So fill it up until like it's almost full. So we tried plugging it again, and voila, yay, it's working, it's perfectly working. I'm so happy. So I'm very satisfied because okay, the humidifier was in great condition. So until now I'm using it, so I'm very satisfied with the product. I rated like 4/5 minus the how long the shipping took. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this product or this video helps if you're thinking of purchasing this. Bye.